Okay, so as you can see, the water fountain worked like a charm and the water did spray beautifully. Over the course of the last few days that I've used this fountain, I found it incredibly relaxing to watch and perfect for unwinding after a long day at work. Now I wasn't sure, and unfortunately I don't think I captured any footage of the birds using the bird bath, but for me the sound of the water trickling is soothing enough, and it also brings me a sense of calm to my outdoor space. That in itself is worth the installation of this fountain. Now over time, I do hope that I can build this system out and build a bigger fountain and also a more complex fountain that maybe birds will enjoy and that is going to fit for the landscape of the design that we come up with for our backyard. Now in conclusion, I definitely got to say that the POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump kit is a fantastic product that I'd highly recommend. It's easy to assemble, it runs on solar power, and I think it looks amazing. It's perfect for those of you who want to add a touch of elegance to your outdoor space while also being environmentally conscious and also pleasing the birds at the same time. The feedback so far is that we absolutely love this, and I'm sure you will too. Now as I build out my backyard, I'll update this bird bath design and see where we go from there. Anyways, thanks for watching everybody.